Hey y'all, welcome back to Blackbird Bath. If you are new here, hey, welcome. If you ain't new to this, you true to this, what's happening? In this episode, we are doing I don't want to say haul, this is more so like an unboxing or a kit from Bramble Berry. Soap making OG is how I look at it, because yeah, Aunt Marie is Bramble Berry, right? So anyway, on this episode, that's what we're talking about. A Bramble Berry cold press kit that I ordered. Again, y'all know my little space is small, so we're gonna try to get all of this in this, okay? Now again, if you're new here, subscribe, like, turn on the notification button so that you can stay up to date with the videos that I post here. I'm not gonna take too much time because YouTube don't give me that much. So let's just get into it. So this kit that I ordered from Bramble Berry, keep in mind, all the information for this kit will be in the description below. If you've ordered from Bramble Berry before and you've done one of their kits, let me know in the comments. If you posted a video on YouTube, let me know so I can watch it and see what you did, because, you know, we need to communicate. But anyway, this Bramble Berry kit is the swirl kit. Now, let me just put y'all on game real quick, right? So, if you are new to soap making in any form, be it cold press, be it melt and pour, be it hot press, whatever. If you are new to it, order a kit. If you're new to cold pressing, I'm fairly new to cold pressing as well. So y'all you gonna learn how I learn, or y'all at least gonna watch me learn as we learn. But you cannot beat this kit. Granted, it was on sale when I ordered. This kit normally runs, I believe, $150. No deal. On her website, it's $150. I just lucked up and it was on sale the day I ordered it. So I ended up getting it for like $120, I believe. But y'all, okay, let's just get into it, because you're gonna have to see this to believe this. Okay, so first off, when you open it, it came in 2 boxes because it was so much stuff. So of course, you get your oils. I think this is really dope. When you're new to cold press, this oil situation, you don't have to measure any of this out, or combine it. I'm sorry. You're gonna have to measure it based on the recipe, but it's already, all your oils, they're already here. And you can pop this whole bag in the microwave and then just whoop it, put it in there. Also, it says that the shelf life, it's good for a year. Can you see that? Boom, bow, 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 right? So first off, amazing. Okay, then here are the instructions on how to. They even provide these really cute labels that you can use to put on the soaps. I'm not going to use these, but it's in the kit, so just FYI. This is also in the kit, and this is just giving you some, I got tongue-tied, sorry y'all, some lye usage information, and it also advises you what the kit entails. So I'm going to read this real quick. No, I'm not going to read it at all. These are the things that should be in the kit. As I go through them, we'll all talk about them then, right? So that's this. I'm just going to put this up here. Alrighty. And then it comes with this card, which again tells you the recipe itself, the tools that you'll need. It also hyphenates the things that are included in the kit and the things that you're going to need offhand. This visual is really good as well. And then on the back, it's all of the instructions as to how to do the kit. Mind you, in this video, this is just an unboxing. We're not doing all this. So, yeah. So, again, this came in 2 boxes. So, I got this. Now, I will say I was a little worried at first, though, because when I looked on other YouTube channels and seen reviews, a lot of them were missing stuff. So, I was a little concerned. But, yeah. So, you do get this big jar, which is nice. You're going to need this. There's not enough space. Let me move this. Okay, so you're going to need this, which is your, I think your 2-quart bowl. Then you also get the hand mixer, and this is a Bramble Berry mixer. Put some respect on her name. What? So you also get this. And this mixer is like, this is an important tool when making cold press soap. There's no other way to do it. Mind you, on Bramble Berry's website, they do sell these sticks individually. So you can always, like, you know, knock on wood, but if something happens to this, I can just purchase another one and still have this part. Or it's probably a good thing to have multiples when you're making like serious designs or using multiple colors, so you don't have to wash the one off. You can just directly move to the next or whatever. But this came in the kit as well. I'm really excited about that. Okay, so here is one of 2 boxes. Let me move this as well. Okay. Now, I did open this already just to make sure that it had everything in it that it needed, but I didn't really go through all of it. I just wanted to make sure, because, you know, in case you have to send stuff back. Now, let me find something, because it's a lot. It's a lot. Boy, you can tell, baby, packaging is on point, huh? Oh. Okay. Okay. So, that stuff is everywhere. It is everywhere. Okay. Okay, so all right, here is a digital thermometer, which is definitely needed. I have a gun though, but you can never have too many thermometers, just keeping it real. Alrighty, a whisk. This is a good whisk. It's heavy. Sodium lactate, and this is used to, if you're new to soap making, this is used to make it easier for your soap to come out of the mold. It's not a requirement for CP, but it's just it's a good thing to have. Okay, we have our colors here. This is a black pigment, and this is a mermaid. Now, if you watched my other unboxing video, or my, not unboxing, more so haul video from Nature's Soap, in a free sample I got, it was similar to this. And I say similar, but Bramble Berry looks like they may have a little bit more gold in theirs. But it's still a gorgeous color nonetheless. Both of those are really pretty. And this is your mixing little contraption here. Or you're swirling, I should say, not mixing, excuse me. You're swirling. So you can put it in there and, you know, get your swirl on. Okay. And these are just some gloves. Typical latex gloves, no big deal. It's trash. Okay, and this is the fragrance that comes with this kit. It's taped up. I'm not going to go into the details of the fragrance on this. However, check out my Fragrance Friday videos, and I'll give you the deets on how this smells and what my thoughts are about it. So, but just know this came with this kit, and this is how many ounces? This is 4 ounces. I don't even think the recipe calls for all 4 ounces, to be honest. So that's awesome. Let's see what else is in here. 2 cups. I would assume this is for mixing the colors that goes in here. Some nice little cups. And then your mixing mixer to stir your mica colors to make sure they're fully mixed before dispersing them. This is cool. And then a scale. This is just brown stuff from this. It's fine. Okay, and this is an 11-pound capacity. All right, that's all right. All right. It's a lot so far, right? All right, let's kind of stack this up and move you a little bit so we can bring on the next box. The other box. You see, they're all... Love this. And I mean, it's really simple when you think about it. It's just a box with a sticker, but I don't know. It kind of makes you just feel a little fancy. And I'm I'm a minimalist when it comes to packaging. Because 9 times out of 10, no one is gonna... Oh man, it's some more of this. Oh my goodness, there's so much. And we would not believe in waste. So if y'all order from blackbirdbath.com and you get some of this in there, just know, okay? It came from this video. We will not waste this. Another mixing cup, which you're going to need for like your lye mixing. You want to use your own container for that. Okay, Bramble Berry with the branding. Okay. 2 of these too. Oh, that's awesome. Because I really... Okay, so the other one was the large glass bowl. This is considered to be the medium glass container. And then the 2 easy pours. Okay. Okay. So far on the list, y'all, we've gotten everything. We have the swirl mix. Here is the lye that we're needing. We have our fragrance, our mica colors, our sodium lactate. Okay, I know what else I don't have over here. Okay, let's move this. Okay, so where was I? The sodium, we have the digital scale, we have the stick blender, we have the gloves. I showed you the large bowl, the medium glass container, the 2 easy pour. This is the spatula that comes in, the mini mixer. I showed you the large whisk, the 2 small plastic things, the thermometer, and the swirling thing. Okay, so, oh, I know what else I'm missing. The mold, right? What are you going to put it in? The mold. So this is the mold that comes with the kit also. And by the looks of this, these are pretty tall bars. They're slender but tall bars. It's not your typical mold size. And let me see if I can find one. See, most molds look like this. You see the size of it? And this one is it's narrow compared to this. So that's awesome when you think about just the variety of things that you can have. So we pretty much got everything on the list that was supposed to be included with this kit, except for goggles. That's the only thing that wasn't included. But I mean, I have goggles. It's not a big deal. So all in all, this was a really good purchase. All of the stuff. So like now, set, ready to go for cold pressing to do much, much more. So this was a very good buy. I definitely recommend it. Again, I will leave the details in the description bar below. If you're new to making soap, get you a kit. This Bramble Berry kit was amazing. I haven't used it yet. Stay tuned for that video. If you've made it this far, thank you so much for your support. Please do subscribe, comment, thumbs up. Do appreciate it. Again, follow me on Instagram at blackbirdbath_. Please check out my site, blackbirdbath.com. And that's the end of the video, guys. Don't take a whole bath when you can take a blackbird bath. Until next time, y'all have a good one.